I am going to be making a Dollar Tree candy bowl for Halloween. This is just kind of everyday candy for the household, for me to snack on or my daughter to snack on. Just forewarning, my hands were washed for this video, but everything that I got here was from Dollar Tree, and I am obsessed with this DIY. I'm actually gonna make one for just Christmas time, and I'm gonna make one just for like everyday seasonal for my house, because that was the one thing I was missing in my home, was just like an everyday kind of candy bowl. Anyway, so basically you just need a hot glue gun, and I get questions on this glue gun all the time. I don't know where it was purchased from because I got it as a Christmas present. But basically I took a Dollar Tree glass bowl, I hot glued it to the pedestal that I got at Dollar Tree, poured in some creepy crawlies, and then I added these skeletons, which I think just really takes it to the next level, kind of makes it look like a graveyard and crawlies coming in and out. But if you feel like your guests or anyone in your home will confuse those plastic non-edible skulls, I wouldn't add this step to your bowl. But if you feel like, okay, people in your house know not to eat those things that are not edible, then go ahead and add whatever it is that you like, even like those faux plastic bugs and stuff from Dollar Tree. Like, just go for it, but just remember some things are obviously not editable in this. Alright, that was a very simple DIY, and I didn't want to stop there because I figured it was going to be like a minute video, so I want to show you how I'm going to come up with my entryway decor. Now, I did this for video purposes, but I don't actually decorate for Halloween until about 3 weeks or 2 weeks out. I don't have it out all month long. So there are some things I need to kind of tighten up and kind of figure out, but I'm basically showing you how I'm putting this together, and this is where I'm going to display, obviously, the newly candy bowl that I made. Now, I have a witches theme in my house, so everything is witches, and yes, I compiled so much onto my entryway table, but my witch, y'all, she has been around for some centuries, you know, so she's kind of been hoarding a lot of stuff, so she has a lot of stuff to put out, you know. She's not a simple kind of girl. She's been collecting her whole life, so I wanted the entryway to just kind of look like an eclectic witch, you know, lives there, and that's kind of the concept that I was going with. Now, if you see some things in here that you're wondering how I did, DIYs, I've been doing them on this channel for a very long time. My Halloween playlist is linked down below. Like the spell book that you see here, I made that. The one thing that was missing from this video though was my red apple. I'm trying to find it, but it's gonna go on that little black candlestick that you see next to the spell book. And then I'm actually going to end up adding black spider webs to the white lamps to make it a little bit more creepy. So those are some of the final touches I need to make. And I am going to do like a Halloween decorate or a Halloween tour video, so you will get to see what the actual final result is going to be. But overall, this is how I kind of came up with my entryway. I've done so many different entryways for Halloween in the past. I think there's videos on that as well. So definitely go check out what I've done before, and maybe like last year's concept or the years before you'll like better than this one. But I really wanted to kind of jam pack this section for my hoarding witch problems. I'm also going to be making some more brooms, which I put in the corner, and actually those are going to end up going outside, so I didn't like them in that corner. But again, you're going to see all of this in upcoming videos. But that's it for today's video. Hope that you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.